Let's make some natural medicine with garlic and honey. All we're needing is fresh garlic, and I bought my garlic already peeled, and you're going to need raw, unfiltered honey. We're going to put all of this in a glass jar, and we're going to let it ferment for a few days to maybe 4 weeks. When garlic and honey is fermented together, its antiviral and immune-boosting properties make it a great remedy, natural remedy for almost anything. Now, you're going to flip your jar every few days to help with the fermentation process. The longer it ferments, it becomes liquidy. The honey becomes liquidy. I gotta try this. Oh my goodness, here we go. It's strong, but it's good. Did you know that there is a juice to help with all health issues? For diabetes, blueberries, green apples, and pears make a great juice to help manage your diabetes. And celery, pomegranate, and beets make a natural healing juice to manage and help with high blood pressure. And cucumbers, aloe, spinach, raspberries, and blueberries create a dynamic juice for healthy hair, skin, and nails. Now you can make them now and freeze them for later.